My name is Kenneth William Cunningham, and I'm speaking on my own behalf as well as my children, as well as scores of other parents here in Taylor County, your neighboring county, Judge. Thank you for hearing my testimony. I'm going to be a little more specific than some of these others. I don't mind because the word needs to get out. Texas family courts need reform. Judges need accountability. Right now, there is no accountability, and I want to quickly give you my testimony. Because of my ex-wife's false testimony and false accusations in court, I get to see my two little girls for 8 hours each month, supervised, plus one 30-minute school lunch, unsupervised, which I drive 400 miles round trip, or at least I did every week before COVID hit anyway. And I have permanent custody of our son, whom she and her family abandoned to me. He was our foster son together for 5 years. We got him at 8 months old, and when she took the biological children, she left him with me. Between child support, costs for supervised visits, and travel, I pay about $2,000 a month. I can't afford a modification. And if you go pro se, the judges hold it against you that you're pro se. I've seen it with other people. And all this happened because a judge chose to believe a perjurious woman without a shred of evidence. And even though our CPS liaison through fostership, the Taylor County Attorney General, testified in court on my behalf that they recommended I get conservatorship. The judge gave my ex everything she asked for and more. I committed no crimes. 2 of my 3 children were stolen from me by a corrupt judge in a corrupt court without any evidence at all, no testimonies to prove, no history on my part of any instability. She convinced this judge, Judge Paul Rotenberry, that I was unstable. I committed no crimes. I broke no laws. I wasn't even accused of such. And even on the stand, our CPS liaison, our church secretary, told the judge that my ex-wife told them personally that I was never abusive in any way, emotionally, verbally, physically, to her or the children. She was given full custody. The judge took my guns away for 90 days. I was ordered to get a psychological evaluation by a forensic sexual evaluator, even though there were no allegations of any kind of sexual misconduct, and this would be at a cost of $3,000 with follow-up counseling. Psychologist, and I have it in writing, told me that Judge Rotenberry personally called him about this. And I just want to say we need reform. I've been in ministry for 30 years. I'm the pastor of my current church for 15 years. I've been a realtor for 15 years. I have a license to carry a firearm of 17 years. I was a foster parent for 6 years. All of these require stringent background tests. I see that my time's up, but let me close by saying we need sweeping reform, Judge. We need sweeping reform. My children were legally kidnapped from me, and they need their father in their life. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for your time.
We thank you for your public comment.
Thank you.